The development of blockchain has caused a huge number to understand the conceivable outcomes of calculations and cryptography and how these things can update the diversion area. In this manner, we have Chiliz chain and the world's first tokenized sports trade. $CHZ powers the @Socios fan commitment application. Will the Chiliz value forecast 2023 to 2031 mirror the preceding with help by experts fans? Last 30 October, Chiliz cost examination recommends that the coin is in bullish energy after the earlier day's revision. However, the following opposition at 0.2283 may introduce a selling a valuable open door for financial backers. Support for CHZ will commonly be accessible in Coinbase's upheld purviews, except for Singapore. How much is CHZ, Chiliz, worth? The present Chiliz cost is $0.133800 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $107,437,000. Chiliz is up 5.00% as of now. The ongoing market cap positioning is number 55 with a live market cap of $891,576,114. It has a flowing stockpile of 6,663,503,543 CHZ coins and a maximum supply of 8,888,888,888 CHZ coins. Chiliz organizers. Alexander Dreyfus is the CEO and organizer behind Chiliz. He was additionally liable for the advancement of Socios.com in 2016 and stood firm on other striking footholds in various organizations. As a trailblazer of WebCity, he helped to establish Winamax, one of France's biggest web-based poker destinations. Emma Diskin turned into the head working official at Chiliz in 2018. He began as the PR and correspondences chief at Chiliz in 2016 and moved up the vocation stepping stool till she became co in 2018. She then turned into the coup of Socios.com in 2020. Chiliz has gigantically profited from her commitments, fundamentally due to her skill in PR and correspondences. One more significant figure in Chiliz is their central technique official, Max Rabinovich. His astute thoughts have been significant in the advancement of the Chiliz organization. Right after blockchain, researchers and mathematicians have made an honest effort to consolidate blockchain into different industry proclamations. It wouldn't be over-the-top excess to say that Chiliz has been the main organization to exchange the games world. Connecting the blockchain basics to the gaming area isn't the predominant accomplishment of the Chiliz organization. Nonetheless, it has additionally guaranteed worldwide financial backers security and speculations through the CHZ digital money. It's not possible for anyone to say how soon it will work out. Yet the arrangements they made with the best clubs in sports are super. We are not seeing a lot of gain based on what's in the background, since they are as yet being set up in each club. The genuine utility for the fans is being set up right now, and when it's out and individuals are utilizing the stage, Chiliz will explode. This resembles the alpha stage. There is as yet beta and delivery. Think about this exhortation. Coins with environments or utility might endure longer than crap coins. I've been in Sol since it was pre-25 United States dollars Luna for its biological system, Spec and Kusama for their beginning phase reception. F for its first mover advantage, BTC, obviously, is a store of significant worth. VET for its genuine case utilizes, Crow for its strong stage, charge card, and presently NFT send-off, FIO for its progressive wallet address arrangement. However, CHZ is my games play. Chiliz, specialized investigation. Chiliz's specialized examination uncovers CHZ is exchanging a triangle design. The exchanging range has been restricting, and as of now, the cost is trying a key obstruction level at 20 cents. The fan token shaped better upsides at $0.172 on 8 February and $0.187. However, those moves were met with selling strain, as the value neglected to get through the opposition level. The RSI is as of now in an impartial zone and gives no indications of any super bullish or negative force. The MACD remains for the most part level, flagging that market opinion is blended around CHZ. The week after week RSI has framed a bullish disparity, closed the oversold region, and is pointing towards a potential vertical breakout. Looking forward, the vital level to watch is 20 cents. In the event that CHZ can break over this obstruction, it could open up a way to better upsides. Alternately, assuming the token neglects to defeat the protections at 20 cents, it could make further selling strain and return CHZ to the lower scope of the triangle. The cost of Chiliz has stayed over the 50-day and 200-day moving midpoints since the finish of December 2023. This recommends that CHZ will probably stay in an upturn for the medium term, as long as it stays over these key help levels. Chiliz's cost development somewhat recently shows the FAN token fell strongly from $0.1737 to the ongoing cost of $0.1381. The late cost activity shows a solidification around the help level of 13 cents and recommends that the symbolic will probably remain range-bound. The specialized pointers uncover an expected breakout in the close to term over the Fibonacci level of 20 cents with an objective of 25 cents and afterward to the following obstruction at 30 cents. In the event that CHC can break above 20 cents, it could flag a further upturn in its cost development. On the other hand, assuming the token neglects to beat this opposition level, it will probably keep exchanging inside its reach-bound design. Chiliz Value Expectation 2023. Our Chiliz CHC cost forecast for 2023 expects the CHC coin to exchange at least cost of 19 cents and a typical cost of 19 cents. The digital currency market feeling is supposed to stay good long haul, driving CHC's cost higher towards a greatest cost of 22 cents. Chiliz Value Forecast 2024. Out of 2024, our Chiliz cost expectation expects the CHC coin to exchange at the very least cost of 26 cents and a typical cost of 27 cents. The digital money market feeling is supposed to stay bullish, driving CHC's cost higher toward a greatest cost of 32 cents. Chiliz Value Expectation 2025. The Chiliz cost estimate for 2025 demonstrates the way that Chiliz could accomplish a most extreme cost of 46 cents and a base cost of 36 cents. The computerized money is supposed to have a decent year as the reception of Chiliz and other digital currencies increments. The typical gauge cost is supposed to be around 38 cents. Chiliz Value Expectation 2026. As per our CHC FAN token cost expectation for 2026, we anticipate that the coin should exchange at a limit of 62 cents and a typical cost of 55 cents. The base cost estimate is supposed to stretch around 53 cents during this period. Chiliz Value Expectation 2027. The Chiliz cost expectation for 2027 demonstrates the way that Chiliz could arrive at a most extreme cost of 92 cents and a base cost of 80 cents. The typical estimate cost is supposed to be around 82 cents. Chiliz Value Expectation 2028. The Chiliz cost gauge for 2028 shows positive development for the FAN token. We expect $1.37 as the most exorbitant cost and a normal value estimate of $1.17 over this period. Our base cost is supposed to be around $1.14 in 2028. Chiliz Value Expectation 2029. As per the CHC cost expectation for 2029, CHC is supposed to have a base cost of $1.55 and a most extreme cost of $1.96. The typical expected exchanging cost is